Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 8 science lesson number 1 crop production and management. This is my third video. Before seeing this video, please go through my previous video. At the same time, please subscribe our channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Now in this chapter, before starting my chapter, I am going to ask one question. Right? Do you know hydroponic? So you just find the answer. If you don't know, no problem. End of the session, I will tell the answer of this question. Once again I ask, what is mean by hydroponic? You just hear it is there, hydroponic, what is mean? In this session, we are going to discuss about agriculture practice. In previous session, we discussed what is agriculture, branch of agriculture, crops and pattern of crops and agriculture tools also. Here, agriculture practice. First, agriculture practice is also called farming practices. What is mean by agriculture practice? Certain sequence of activity are taken by a farmer, that practices are called agriculture practice. Here there are the activities in a particular sequence undertaken by a farmer, that sequence are called agriculture practice. So are agriculture steps. So there are the 7 steps, there are the 7 sequence are there in the agriculture practice. What are these? We will discuss. The first one is preparation of soil. The first one it is what? Preparation of soil. Second one is selection of seeds and sowing. Third one is manuring. Fourth one is irrigation. The fifth one is protection of crops from weeds as well as pest. Sixth one is harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Seventh one is storage. There are the 7 steps are important for the agriculture, right? These steps are we have to follow. The farmer has to follow step by step. We should not exceed the step. So the order should be very important. That is a preparation of soil, selection of seeds and sowing, manuring, irrigation, protection of crops from weeds and pest. What is weeds? Means unwanted plant, whatever it is growing with the crops, that is called weed. That removing of weeds is called weeding. Pest means a pathogen or microorganism or in a living organism like small insect or whatever it is, it affects the crops, that all are called pest. Then harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Then final one is storage. These all the things we will discuss step by step. The first step is called preparation of soil. This is the very first step for agriculture. If you listen, if you see the word what is preparation, all of the sudden in your mind preparation means you will think preparation for your examination, right? Am I right? Preparation means we will always thinking preparation of examination. I am asking one simple question, children. If you are preparing well in your examination, what is the result? Of course, you will get high mark. You will get full mark. Suppose you are not preparing well, what will happen? You can't get a good mark, right? So, okay, very good. Next question, who is helping for your preparation? Who all are helping? First one is your parent, next teachers and your family members or your brothers or your friends, etc. These all are helping, right? Same like that, the preparation of soil also very important for the agriculture. That is the reason we are keeping in a first step. Why? Because this entire process is depends upon finally that harvesting or storing everything, the harvesting high yield of the crop is depends upon the first step. It is a very first step, that is called the preparation of soil. Same like our examination. So if we prepared very well in the soil, the harvesting will be very good. So in your studies, parents, teachers are helping. Same like that, the soil is prepared by farmers. Clear? I hope you understood my point. Next, why do we prepare the soil? I already told that we have to prepare our soil for certain purposes. One is what? Normally the upper surface of the soil, it is dry in nature. It does not contain more amount of nutrients. It having some nutrients, but due to more exposing of sunlight or water, the nutrients level will be diminished. That is the one rule. Another one is the microorganism will not withdrawn in the surface of the soil. Then water level will be very less in the soil. So these are the things that surface of the soil is not good. So before I am going to sow the seed, I have to prepare my soil. So why means these are the advantages. Why means it permit easy for the roots. The roots can penetrate very easily, so it can take the underground water also very well. The second one is soil gets aerated. So soil also, it is composed of small particles. They also get aeration, oxygen also get. Then it promotes the growth of microorganisms. So many microorganisms are present inside the soil. When we rotate, when we take out the soil, when we prepare the soil, the lower side of the microorganism will come outside. Automatically the microorganisms will help to decompose the substances also and maintain the water holding capacity and remove the weeds. When we rotate the soil, we can remove and replenish the nutrients also. Now this is the first step. Preparation of soil is the first step. Here this preparation of soil can be done by 4 steps. Already 7 steps are there in the agriculture practice. Now the first step, preparation of soil, it consists of 4 steps. First one is called plowing. The plowing is also called tilling or also called digging. There are the different names of plowing, children. You just see plowing, tilling and digging. The second process is called watering. The third one is called the puddling. Then fourth one is leveling. So the preparation of soil consists of 4 steps. The first one is plowing, second is watering, third one is puddling, then fourth one is leveling. What is mean by plowing? Plowing is nothing but loosening of soil. With the help of plow, we can rotate the soil up and down. That process is called plowing. What is plow? Already in my previous video I explained. Please go through my previous video. You can get the idea. Now the plowing is nothing but, I told that tilling, digging. These are the other name of plowing. What is plowing means? Once again I repeat, loosening of soil. Without prepare we can't do agriculture. So loosening is must. Why loosening is must? I already told. It allows aeration, microorganism will come out, humus will be more, nutrient will be more, etc. etc. Next one is watering. The watering is the optional only. Suppose you are going to sow the seed on the monsoon season. Suppose kharif crops are there, you are going to sow the seeds on the monsoon season, means that time only preparation, plowing is enough. No need to add the water because already water is present. But in the dry season, summer season, you are going to sowing the seed, means normally we have to, before prepare the soil, we just add the water. That is called watering. You may arise some question, madam, it is compulsory before plowing we have to add water? It is not compulsory, but if the dry soil, if you are doing plowing, it takes some time. But at the same time, once we wet the water, after doing preparation of soil, the process become very easier. That is the only thing. The third one is puddling. After the puddling, what is puddling means? After loosening the soil in the ground, big pieces of mud will be present. Right, big pieces. It is not a stone. Big pieces of soil particles are present. That big pieces of soil particles are called crumbs. Right, the big pieces of soil particles are called crumbs. These crumbs we have to break into smaller particles. So that process is called puddling. Right. Then fourth one is leveling. This leveling can be done by the help of leveler. So leveler is nothing but is a small roller like appearance. They will connect with the tractor and they will use. Otherwise a wooden plank or iron plank they can use. So this is called leveling. So this leveling process can done by the help of leveler. You just see this image. This is the leveler. This type of rollers. This is the roller. With the help of this, they level the entire soil. This leveler can also use for adding of water and maintaining of the water level and rotating of soil and arranging of soil particles and breakdown of soil particles, big pieces and everything. It helps. This is the first step of preparation of soil. Once again I repeat, preparation of soil consists of 4 steps. First one is plowing, second one it is watering, third one is puddling, fourth one is leveling. Then these all are advantages. When the session starts, do you remember I asked one question, what is mean by hydroponic? Hydroponic is nothing but growing of plant in a rich nutrients of solution. So the plants can grow in a rich nutrients of solution only, without soil they can grow the plant. That process is called hydroponics. Nowadays they are very much popular this method because most of the horticulture plant as well as fruits and vegetables can cultivated in this method. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.